Hi, this is Mrs. Arroyo, and this is day 4, collect and organize data using tally marks. Go ahead and mentally solve. 8 minus 3. All right, you should have the answer 5. Solve 7 minus 6. Pause the video if you need to. You should have 1. We are going to collect and organize data using tally marks today. Let's go ahead and look at what tally marks are. Tally marks are just lines used to show the amount of data being counted. Right here, it's showing you examples of what tally marks look like in case you're unfamiliar. Every 5th tally mark is drawn as a diagonal. So when you go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, you take the 5th one, 5, and you go across the line for the previous 4 marks. This helps us easily see groups of 5. A tally chart is a display of data using tally marks to show the amount in each category. So this whole thing is a tally chart. We're going to make our own tally chart here. Here's our model over on the side. It says, how can you help create a table using this data? So we're going to take these, cross them off, and make tally marks. But first, we need our categories. I see we have pizza. We're going to put a P for pizza. We have tacos, T for tacos, and you can take your time and actually write out the words. For me, for the sake of time, I'm just going to abbreviate. We have B for burger. So we know what it stands for. As long as you can tell me what it stands for, it's all good. Let's go ahead and make our tally marks. We have pizza, cross that out, and put a tally mark. Oh, I see another one for pizza. Oh, I see burger. And you can do all pizza at once or all burgers at once. Doesn't matter as long as you are keeping track by crossing them out. Okay, I see one for tacos. Remember, only one tally mark per subject. And remember to cross it out. Another one for pizza. Just keep it nice and neat as possible. Oh, this is our 5th one for pizza, so it's going across. Another one for tacos. Another one for tacos. And your tally marks don't have to be perfectly straight as long as you can see what you did. Burger and pizza. And after the 5th one, you start putting it on the side again. So this is what our table looks like. We crossed out everything. Now we need to look and see, do these tables show the same information? So it's saying the number 6 over here. This chart is showing it numerically. This is showing it through tallies. Let's go and make sure. 5 plus 1 is 6. That's correct. 4. Oh, we have 4 tally marks. That's correct. And then at number 3, we have 3 tally marks. That is correct. So it's always good to go back and check. So you can go ahead and practice writing tally marks yourself. Go ahead and pause the video and see. So for 15, we're going to have our first 5 that look like this. Sorry, mine isn't that neat. I know you can be neater than me on your own paper. And plus another 5 will be up to 10. You can also count as you go. So 5, 10, we need another one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. If you're making 10, it's 2 rows of 5. Let's do 8 right here. So we show 1, 2, 3, 4, across for the 5th, 5, 6, 7, and 8. It makes it easier to count when you have groups of 5 and then just some 1s left over. For the sake of time, I'm going to leave it at that. Go ahead and try 10 and 23 on your own separate sheet of paper. Let me know how that works for you. And then you're going to go on Canvas and do the quick check online. If you can't access Canvas, then go ahead and do it on a separate sheet of paper. It says Martha creates a data table to show what foods are in her refrigerator. She needs 8 eggs to make a cake. Oh, I see a number here. I'm going to circle it. Does she have enough? How do you know? So this is what we're trying to answer here. Does she have enough, and how do you know? So you need to go over here and see her eggs. Count this up and see if that is 8 or more. And let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.